RCA female to 2 RCA male connector splitter adapter coupler for stereo audio video AV/TV cable convert. Adapts a single RCA female to 2 RCA male. Grip treads help easy plugging and unplugging. Compact design, space saving, easy to carry and use. Provide you with the ability to connect RCA cables together in order to extend their length. RCA splitters provide spare or replacement adapters to use on different audio and video systems. Color: black, golden tone. Connector type: RCA female to 2 RCA male. Rated load: 5 VA. Insulation resistance: 1 ohm.